KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone, today I am coloring a monkey eats banana picture. I am coloring its head. Monkey is a wild animal. Monkey is so intelligent creature in the world. Monkey can easily jump from one branch to another on tree. I am coloring its ear with a brown color. Monkey likes banana very much. Do you like banana? I like banana very much. Banana is so healthy food. Monkey has a long tail. Monkey has 2 hands, 2 legs. Monkey has 2 eyes and 2 ears. Monkey ears is too big. I am coloring its body with a brown color. I am coloring its tummy with a light brown color. I am coloring its tail. In the middle, a light brown color. Monkey live in jungle. I am coloring banana. Banana is very healthy food. I am coloring banana with a yellow color. Banana is very healthy and its shake is very yummy. I like so much. Do you like its shake?
Subscribe us for more videos.